Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin, a complete troubleshooting solution for you. Today in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to add home button in Google Chrome browser. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Browser home pages have been replaced, usually with new tab pages that show you pages you recently or commonly browsed. If you use one site a lot, though, you may still want a single button that will bring you back. Chrome doesn't feature the home button by default anymore, but by rummaging through its settings, you can bring it back. Now I am going to show you how to add home button on Google Chrome browser. Open your Google Chrome. Click three dot button on upper right corner. Now click on settings. Click on appearance. You will find show home button, and by default it is disabled. You can enable it. Look, now home button is appeared on Google Chrome browser. If you browse your desired site and you want to bring your browser back to the home, just click on home button and it will bring you back to the home page. Now close Google Chrome browser. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.